Traps should be placed in the field before the pest becomes active. Knowing the pest history, as well as the weather conditions in the infested area, assist in predicting the insect occurrence and pressure. Traps should be placed within the crop area at crop height, where the activity of monitoring pest is greatest. Install WINGU traps downward and place them in a shaded position in fruiting trees, finding an open area within the mid-upper canopy. Avoid locations where leaves may block traps. Avoid placing traps on the perimeter row. Instead, place traps within the interior of the orchard. The entrance of the trap must be easily accessible to the insects. The recommendation is to set the trap parallel to the prevailing wind direction. Avoid hanging pheromone traps in areas with high bird or animal activity to reduce the chance of them being accidentally trapped. The primary function of attached ERH sensor is to determine insect environment parameters. Therefore, it is recommended to be installed at the height where the insects do the most damage. Another recommendation is to place it at least 1 meter off the ground. The solar panel should be mounted at the top of a pole in a way that it is always exposed to the sun and should never be shaded. The recommendation is to be exposed to the south on the northern hemisphere and to the north on the southern hemisphere. Attractant is an essential part of active monitoring. When handling semi-chemical lures, wear disposable gloves to avoid cross-contamination with other products. In WINGU model, lures should be placed into the plastic cage. To maximize Trapview usage throughout the monitoring season, ensure regular maintenance of devices. We recommend you keeping the solar panel and electronics glass cover clean, changing the pheromones and sticky roll when needed, and record all events in Trapview web or mobile applications.